Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Melody. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today I'm going to do the South India for Masala Dosa review. Now this is, as you can see, $2.99 and I'm going to try it. Now these inside the box, as you can see, there are 4 of these wrapped like this and plastic, wrapped in plastic, 4 of these, and there are some chutneys. So these are the chutneys. So I'm going to put them in a pan with little bit of oil, just a tiny bit of oil. So just set it like this in a pan, and it's barely any oil, is just sprayed so that it does not stick. Now with the very minimum heat, cover it up, cook one side, then cook gently, flip to the other side and cook. So when it's cooked, then you can serve it on the platter or a plate, whatever you like. And we're going to defrost this chutney in the microwave. So I'll open up 2 packages and defrost it. So this is 4 of these, and these 4 masala dosa. Okay, so they are wrapped, they come wrapped like this, and we're just gonna open, put it in a pan, cover it up in very low heat for 5 to 10 minutes on each side until they're warm. I don't want to put it in the microwave because I don't think they'll come good in microwave. I have to make them crispy in order to taste good. Here are the 4 dosas and the chutney, and they look quite tasty and smells good. So I'll give it a go. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.